Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to bundle products on Shopify. I am on the home page of my Shopify store and I am in admin mode. Over here on the left hand side of the screen I'm going to go down to apps, and in the search bar I'm going to type in bundler. And from here it will take me to Shopify's app store, and here are all the different bundler apps that Shopify offers. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one over here. And I'm going to add the app. And it'll bring me back to my Shopify store. And here you can read all the permissions and install the app. And from here it will take me directly into the app. And it pops up with a little tutorial on their new navigation menu. Up at the top of the page, I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Bundle. And I'm just going to do a classic bundle. From here, it will ask you to name your bundle, give it a description, go through all your pricing parameters, really just all kinds of different ways that you can edit your bundles. These next few sections are all about customization of your bundle, and here you can add discounts, your product levels, specific discounted products in your bundle. And in these couple sections we have some advanced settings to get super specific about what we want to show in our bundles. And down here is the landing page content that's going to be shown with the bundle. And down here at the bottom they give you some tips for automatically adding the bundle to the cart, which is definitely helpful because once I go ahead and save this bundle up here up at the top of the page, then it will be added to my store. So if you want to bundle some of your products on your Shopify store, I highly recommend you get one of their bundler apps, and this is how you might use one.